Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this ETF report for QQQ. The report was first published on our website Friday, July 8, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell QQQ? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since July 7, 2022, our system ranks the QQQ ETF as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 2.969. In this period the stock has had a gain of 0.13%. This is an average return of 0.06% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for QQQ, our last headline reads, QQQ ETF price ended on $295.35 on Friday after gaining 0.13%. The QQQ ETF price gained 0.13% on the last trading day, Friday, July 8, 2022, rising from $294.98 to $295.35, and has now gained 6 days in a row. It is not often that ETFs manage to gain so many days in a row, and falls for a day or two should be expected. During the day the ETF fluctuated 1.93% from a day low at $291.12 to a day high of $296.75. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.69% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 3 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 60 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $17.74 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $408.71, and the lowest price was $269.28. Right now the price is 27.74%, or $113.36, below 52-week high at $408.71, which also is all-time high for the ETF. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible minus 16.01% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between minus 26.56% and minus 16.01%. The 12-month trend indicates a minus 19.46% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between minus 27.31% and minus 2.47%. This equals a price between $214.69 and $288.07 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for QQQ. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the ETF. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The QQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock, but the ETF has a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $287.47 and $291.61. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, June 16, 2022, and so far it has risen 8.83%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 15 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 15 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 20 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart we see short moving average gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 71 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 118 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $291.84, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This ETF has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the ETF moved $5.63 between high and low, or 1.93%. For the last week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 2.32%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for QQQ. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. QQQ currently has a price-earning ratio of 3.92. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, QQQ meets first resistance at $300.76. If you do not hold QQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, QQQ finds first level of support at $291.84, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. Our recommended stop loss is $282.06, minus 4.50%. This ETF has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 14 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the ETF being in a falling trend, we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for ETF to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 11th, we expect QQQ to open down negative 94 cents and start trading at $294.41. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.